Recently we've adopted the 4 pieces of legislation that make up the package on the sustainable use, a framework directive, the revision of the regulation on placing on the market, and then 2 smaller bits, the machinery revision and the statistics revision. If we want to get the benefits from, in particular, the framework directive, we need to prepare well in advance in order that farmers and other stakeholders have the time to really deliver the benefits of what we've agreed as we work towards implementing this work. Some key aspects of the framework directive include obligatory integrated pest management, also national action plans, and a number of other measures designed to accompanying this on safe handling and use of plant protection products.
I was discussing the key findings we had in TOPPS, and I was discussing the outlook of the TOPPS project, what remains to be done. So the main aspects we have achieved in the TOPPS project was to develop common best management practices on a wide geographic area covering about 15 countries. These best management practices were well accepted and adopted by some authorities in especially Eastern countries. Then we have developed a broad range of training materials which are supposed to be used by advisors to use for their courses they give to farmers. And we have done a big effort in disseminating the key messages of the BMPs in the various countries. We have identified correct behavior as the key success factor of water protection. And we also have made proposals on how to improve technique and infrastructure in the direction to enable better risk mitigation. Implementation is still the key challenge, but I think we are on the right way, and we have to repeat our messages that we are reaching the minds of the people.
I'm presenting today the ECPA strategy for ensuring sustainability of the TOPPS project. And the reason we're doing this is because the TOPPS project had an official end, and that was in November 2008. And there are a number of important aspects of the project that we felt were very successful and valuable, related to the network of experts that we built up, the link between the EU legislation and practical measures that you can take to protect water, to mention but 2. And we decided that we wanted to put in place a scheme for keeping the project going, and we call that TOPPS Sustainability, and we named the project Bridge. And the reason we called it Bridge is because it's intended to bridge between, on the one hand, the work that we did in TOPPS, and on the other hand, in the future, the work that we hope to launch in a successor project. In this bridge period, we've invested as ECPA approximately €100,000, which will go to cover training, demonstration and dissemination of the materials that we developed under the TOPPS project. And then subsequent to my presentation, there will be a presentation by Philippe Costrop, who is going to show how we plan on launching a successor project.
We have the intention to apply for a new demonstration project, and in this new project, which is also a demonstration project, we will focus on diffuse sources, which is a quite important aspect as well for the ECPA, and we will therefore hopefully at the end come to a very broad water management concept, which will integrate point sources, but then also the diffuse source aspect for the use of plant protection products. And again, we will focus a lot on different European countries, where we will work with different partners in several countries in order to promote best management practices. and it will be again an interesting challenge for ECPA, where we will try to address the different issues that we are committed to address in an appropriate way.